Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we're going to talk about the Starfleet Knot. Now, before we get into this, I want you to go down, if you haven't already, find the subscribe button, hit that, and then hit the little notification bell. That'll let me know that this is the kind of content that you want to see more of, and it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. So let's go ahead, take down the knot, take off the vest, and we'll begin.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world.
So we're going to start this tie with the blade on our right and the tail on our left. The tip of our blade is going to be about 4 fingers above our belt line. Now we're going to go ahead and take the blade and fold it in on itself and then fold it back. And we're going to go ahead and take this and bring it to our center button line. Now we're going to take the tail and we're going to loop it over the top from left to right, behind the back from right to left, and then back over the top from left to right, creating one full loop. Now we're going to bring it behind the knot, up and over, just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and fold the knot on itself with the crease facing the center of the tie. And we're going to loop it down and around. Now this can be a large loop. You can bring it down a couple of inches, and then we're going to tuck it back up into the collar and bring it back down. So you can see we've got our crease here on the inside, like that. Now here's where we want to hold on to this right here in the middle with our 4 fingers, and we're going to fold this loop up over the top, just like that. Now this is where we need to kind of adjust it a little bit. We want to bring it up so that it creates a point just above where the actual knot sits. Then we're going to hold it in on itself. Now to get the authentic look, you want one side to be a little bit lower than the other. So we're going to hold it there, kind of pinch it on itself. Now we got to babysit the tail of it because it'll want to come unfolded. So you just want to refold that, and then we're going to bring this tightly around the front, just like that. And still keeping it tight, we're going to bring it behind the knot and up and through. Now we want to tuck it into the loop we just made on the left-hand side, like that. So we're holding the bottom of the delta right here, and with our 4 fingers securing the top of it, we're just creating this little loop to tuck the tail through. So we're just going to thread it through there on the left-hand side and pull it down tight. Now we want to make sure this is good and tight, because this is the only thing holding this all together. And then we're going to pull this behind the knot, just like that. So now we can adjust the shape and make sure that it's sitting correctly as we want it. Now we're going to go ahead and tuck it into this space between the collar and second button down, just like that. Now we can pinch the whole thing and shift it up into position, kind of massage the knot, make sure that it's sitting where we want it, just like that. Then we fold our collar down, and ease it into the final position. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Starfleet Knot. This is an excellent knot for a solid colored tie, a dual colored tie, or a striped tie. So until next time, take care.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world. And gentlemen, one of the many things that give you that liftoff feeling is the pleasure of being well dressed.